Living quarters. Well, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay. They've used all the speed.
A neighbourhood patrol officer in Mansfield, England noticed a powerful smell of cannabis while driving near an industrial estate. The odour was unusually strong and appeared to be coming from a specific industrial property.
We're going to have to do, it's absolutely huge.
People on the roof.
Inside the corner, we probably could do
They've used all the speed.
Living quarters. Well, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, that's 6.
Which would probably be about right.
Yeah.
They'll be in here somewhere.
Shower room here with toilet. Washing machine. You could go for months in here, couldn't you?
But this is the thing now. Where can they go? There's got to be somewhere.
In this case, officers weren't acting on a random hunch. That measured approach suggests they were building enough information to safely investigate what they believed could be a significant criminal operation.
along the wall, so you've got something to hold on to, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah, it goes all the way back.
And it should be strongest on the side.
That what?
Where's that bit where the floor's been? Is that on the roof? When you first come in?
Here. Yeah.
You want to come down?
It's either here or here. There is somewhere. They'll have an idle spot.
Yeah, there's probably in the cavity above this.
In the roofs,
It's just
yeah.
where the access.
What makes this different from small drug cases? This wasn't a few plants hidden inside a garage. What officers discovered was an industrial-scale cultivation site. Operations like this require significant financial investment, technical planning, and continuous maintenance. Because of that, investigators often view facilities like this as part of organized criminal activity rather than personal drug use.
Speak English. Speak English. No.
Where are your friends? Shout at your friends and tell them to come. Tell your friends to come. Come to me. Come to me. You're under arrest. Suspicion of cultivation of cannabis. Okay, you don't have to say anything in my army defence if you fail to mention when questioned, something which later on in a call. Anything you do say may be given in evidence, okay?
I saw 6, 100%.
Friend.
You know when we got in, there was a still containment on.
Yep, 100%. There's definitely another 4 in here somewhere.
Containment on like...
Where are your friends?
They didn't start making noise until they were aware.
Shout your friends. Tell them to come. Tell your friends to come. Okay.
It's substantial, isn't it?
Oh my goodness.
This has been here a while as well.
Well, yeah, and they've got all the ones drying as well, haven't they? So they've already harvested a load drying. It's been a big operation for a long time, I think.
They've been living here for a long time as well.
Yeah.
Where they're going to be is going to be right on the far end. That's where the access to the roof is.
This one. Come on, jump up for me. Up. Any more? Where? Where are your friends?
Friends.
Friends.
$560 in this room, approximately.
There's about 600, 700 plants in there, just in that one. And this one's even bigger.
Yeah, so there's good.
Couple of thousand.
Yeah.
And that's just in these 2 rooms.
Robert, you're under arrest on suspicion of cultivation of cannabis. You don't have to say if it may harm your defence fail to mention when question of some for which you later on in court. Anything you do say may be given in evidence, okay?
Listen to me. 2151, okay, you're under arrest on suspicion of cultivation of cannabis. Okay, so you do not have to say anything, but it may harm your defence if you do not mention when questioned something which you later rely on in court, and anything you do say may be given in evidence. Okay? Do you understand? No, you've been arrested.
The walls in that one. There's not another level above us, but there could be on the flat roof above. How do you get up there?
Someone come down here.
I saw 6 on that roof.
Yeah.
That's 6. The guy who I had second, he said there was 6. I'm happy that that's everyone.
Looking at the investigation, several decisions dramatically increased the suspect's legal exposure. First, the sheer size of the operation made it almost impossible to argue personal cultivation. Second, the sophisticated infrastructure, including lighting systems, irrigation, ventilation, and CCTV, suggested deliberate planning rather than spontaneous behaviour. Finally, operating inside a sealed industrial building attracted attention rather than avoiding it. The very systems designed to support the grow operation also produced odours that eventually alerted police. Under UK law, cannabis is classified as a Class B controlled drug. According to court records, all 6 defendants pleaded guilty to being concerned in the production of a Class B drug. A separate allegation involving possession with intent to supply remained on file after the guilty pleas. Ultimately, the court sentenced the 6 men to a combined total of more than 13 years in prison. As always, criminal liability is determined by the court based on the evidence presented.